All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In today's video, we're talking about KLIP because KLIP actually just released their new dividend, and that's why their stock price is currently at $18.64, even though they're only down about 18 cents on the day. What I want to do in this video is talk you through the volatility that KWEB showed and how it's related to KLIP, and also how it produced this dividend of 83 cents. So that is KLIP's dividend. It goes ex-dividend today, which is on the 28th. So you had to buy it before today in order to receive that dividend. So if you're holding shares of KLIP yesterday, you're going to receive that dividend. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through the trends on KWEB, and I want to show you how I kind of expected this dividend to happen and how you guys can expect and kind of plan out how much you think KLIP's dividend is going to be in the future on your own. So before we get into that, what I do want to say is that there was a guy who commented, Mr. Jupiter Blueberry 8110, nice name by the way. He said that KLIP's ex-dividend date was on the 28th because he called Kraneshares, which it was, so thank you for that. I just wanted to give you a little shout out and also give a little shout out to the channel, as we are now up to 390 subscribers, approaching that 400 subscriber mark. But don't worry, it doesn't matter if we hit that or not. I'm just so grateful for the 390 and our videos are doing well. So keep doing your thing, keep watching, and keep enjoying. But in today's video, we're talking about KLIP and their dividend history because today they just updated it. So today's their ex-dividend date and they're paying 83 cents, which will be paid out on June 30th. So in 2 days, we're going to receive 83 cents for every single share that you own in KLIP. Now, I personally own about 55 shares in KLIP, so I'll be paid $45 approximately. And what I want to do in this video is just show you why I kind of predicted this dividend. Going back to their previous dividends, what I want to show you is this one right here. So in January, February, March, April, this is the April dividend. They paid out $1.03. And going to April, starting here on April 3rd and going down, you could see that they had a pretty decent run down, a lot of volatility, which they would collect those premiums on. And KLIP, as you might know, follows KWEB, so they did have a pretty substantial move to the downside, going down probably about like 5 to 8% there, but they did cash in that massive dividend, and that was a $1 dividend for every stock that you owned. Now moving to the next month, this is going to be the month of May right here. They received a dividend of 86 cents. And why I want to show you this month particularly is because it's very similar to the month we just had. So going to KWEB's 6-month chart, so going to May, you could see it kind of started here and it ran a bit flat and then a bit down. It didn't have too much volatility, too much movement. This is the volatility from this point right here to roughly this point right here. So you could see that's maybe about a 3 to 5% movement to the downside, and it produced an 86% dividend. Now what I want to show you is their current dividend, which came at 83 cents. Going to KLIP here, you can see it started roughly here, and although there was this massive run up, I keep clicking on this bad boy. What am I doing? I'm going crazy. It's only 11 o'clock in the morning. Please don't judge me. All right, so their previous dividend, which they just announced, 83 cents, started right here on June 1st. And as you can see, it had this massive run up. But the thing was, they went ex-dividend today, which is roughly on the 28th. And their monthly contract for these covered calls probably ended about the 26th. And so you can see all this movement from here, this point right here to right here is probably only a couple percent, if even 1 to 2%. And as you can see, they still paid out at 83% dividend. That is fantastic, meaning that if KLIP was to go from here and pay out on this, if it were to start its contract on June 1st and it continued and held this kind of position on June 15th, we'd be receiving a lot bigger dividend. So this is actually really amazing that we did receive this 83% dividend. It shows you how much like KLIP is able to generate just from the volatility in KWEB, and how honestly this might provide more returns in the future than potentially TSLY, just due to the fact that it collects so much premium for so little volatility in the sector. And that's what I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. I hope you guys do pick up some shares of KLIP and check out KLIP's strategy, which I mentioned in another video. What I want to show you right here, this video right here, how I plan to reinvest in Tesla and KLIP. That's a little video showing you how you can absolutely maximize and compound your returns using those two stocks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys just found out about KLIP's dividend and are excited just as much as I am. And I hope you guys continue to invest, comment, and share your journey with me, as I love to hear it. So, all right, that's it for this video. I hope you guys take care, and I'll see you next time.